Bollywood stars who suffered from depression. Shah Rukh Khan. It might be a shock, but it is fact that King Khan of Bollywood suffered from this deadly mental health. In the year 2010, the star suffered from a shoulder injury, and the immense pain of the injury led the actor into depression. But the actor is now out of it, and he is living a healthy life now. Deepika Padukone. One of the leading ladies of Bollywood, Deepika also suffered from anxiety and depression when she was rising in her career. Deepika suffered from this mental condition when her relationship with Ranbir Kapoor did not work out and Ranbir cheated her. Deepika is now depression-free and happily married to Ranveer Singh, and she even started a foundation to help people suffering from mental health issues. Varun Dhawan. It is shocking but true that this young actor also suffered from anxiety and depression. Varun was at the edge of suffering from depression while he was shooting for the movie Badlapur. He said that he was not declared clinically depressed, but he was heading towards depression, but now he is happy in his life. Anushka Sharma. This happy-go-lucky and charming actress has also gone through serious mental issues. She is being brave enough and spoke about it openly. She said that she was under medication to treat her anxiety problem. This actress is now completely okay, and she said it is okay to talk about mental health issues just like other ailments. Ranveer Singh. Not just Deepika, but her husband Ranveer also suffered from anxiety and depression badly. Ranveer suffered from depression when one of his friends put up a Facebook status of committing suicide and shot himself. He also suffered from anxiety problem while he was shooting for the film Padmavat because he was portraying the role of Alauddin Khilji. Ileana D'Cruz. This famous Bollywood and South Indian actress suffered from body dysmorphic disorder which led to depression. She talked openly about her struggle with suicidal thoughts, and now the actress is completely okay. Hrithik Roshan. The Greek god of Bollywood, Hrithik has suffered from depression and confusion in the past. The ups and downs in his life affected the mental health of the actor, and he spoken openly about it. Now the actor is completely okay. Neha Kakkar. One of the leading singers of the industry, Neha Kakkar suffered with depression when her relationship with Himansh Kohli did not work out. She spoke openly about her depression and requested people not to judge her. Karan Johar. Ace director Karan Johar suffered badly from depression and anxiety, so much so that he once left important meeting in the middle. The director spoke openly about his anxiety attacks and said that now he feels free and happy. Sanjay Dutt. This Bollywood actor also dealt with serious mental health condition during his court trials. Sources said that this actor had sleeping problems too because of his depression. Shaheen Bhatt. Alia Bhatt's sister Shaheen also suffered from depression and had suicidal thoughts, but now she is completely okay. Hazel Kate Singh. Cricketer Yuvraj Singh's wife Hazel also suffered from serious mental health issues, but she is now happy and has overcome the issues. Randeep Hooda. This Bollywood actor had gone through depression while he was shooting for the film Sarabjit. Shama Sikandar. This famous TV actress dealt with depression for months, and she got rid of the issue after treating herself with medication. Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Popular singer and rapper of Bollywood gone through this deadly mental health issue for years and has overcome the illness after medications. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.